Yovheliym, Jubilees, chapter 8, verses 12 to 21. And there came forth on the writing as Shem's lot the middle of the earth, which he should take as an inheritance for himself and for his sons for the generations of eternity, from the middle of the mountain range of Rapha, from the mouth of the water, from the river of Tina, and his portion goes towards the west through the midst of this river, and it extends till it reaches the water of the abyss, out of which this river goes forth and pours its waters into the sea of Niet. And this river flows into the great sea, and all that is toward the north of Japhet, and all that is towards the Negev belongs to Shem, and it extends till it reaches Coraso. This is in the bosom of the tongue which looks towards Negev, and his portion extends along the great sea, and it extends in a straight line till it reaches the west of the tongue which looks towards the Negev. For this sea is named the tongue of the Mizraim Sea, and it turns from here towards Negev, towards the mouth of the great sea on the shore of its waters, and it extends to the west to Afra, and it extends till it reaches the waters of the river Gihon, and to the south of the waters of Gihon to the bank of this river, and it extends towards the east till it reaches the Garden of Eden, to the south thereof, to the south and from the east of the whole land of Eden, and of the whole east. It turns to the east and proceeds till it reaches the east of the mountain named Rapha, and it descends to the bank of the mouth of the river Tina. This portion came forth by a lot for Shem and his sons, that they should possess it forever unto his generations forever. And Noah rejoiced that this portion came forth from Shem and for his sons, and he remembered all that he had spoken with his mouth in prophecy, for he had said, Blessed be Yahuwah Elohim of Shem, and may Yahuwah dwell in the dwellings of Shem. And he knew that the Garden of Eden is the Holy of Holies, and the dwelling of Yahuwah, and Mount Sinai, the center of the desert, and Mount Zizon, to the center of the navel of the earth. These three were created as holy places facing each other. And he blessed the Elohim of Elohim, who put the word of Yahuwah into his mouth, and Yahuwah forevermore.